Yo, what's up, you guys? So I'm gonna finish the video on my phone. I was looking at the Ferraris and my camera died, my GoPro. So here we are on the phone. I told you guys I would do a review of this exhaust. So for anybody interested, this is a Polish company. It's a couple $100 and it's super good quality. It's for the rsv4. And yeah, so I never really saw any videos of this besides the company, so I haven't seen anyone do an actual review on this exhaust. But the welds, quality is super nice. That's just a sticker. I'm gonna pull that off probably, but yeah, I took the baffle out so you guys can see. It's just like a Torx set screw right in there, or the DB killer, whatever you want to call it. And then on this stubby one, there's just a bolt that goes in the frame, so you don't need to make a bracket for the if you have like I do. I got different rear sets, and then it's just the one clamp. So this is for the 2011. I believe it's 55 millimeters is right here, and I think 15 or 16 and up they changed that to 60 millimeters, which would be probably that size pipe. So but yeah, this company, if you put your ear in, it's pretty good. So I'll fire it up so you guys can hear it. Let me put her in neutral. Okay, that could have been bad. It said neutral. Okay. Got 6,000 miles on this bike. I got the Aprilia tick. Goes away though. So if you guys are wondering on this exhaust, looks good. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch up with you on the next one. I'm sorry my phone died, or not my phone, my GoPro, my battery pack wasn't charged. So Ferraris right over there. Hello, my friends. And I will catch up with you guys on the next video, right? Later.